Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here, thetradinganalys.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the chart here for biotechs. So, first and foremost, we are seeing an upside move here on biotechs, and if you watch the previous videos we did on biotechs, this is something that we called for. So, just to kind of review, why did we think biotechs were going to head higher? Okay, we've got a couple of things going on. First and foremost, we had this false breakdown setup. So what is a false breakdown? First and foremost, we focus on false breakdown pretty much exclusively here at thetradinganalys.com with all of our trades. So here is a support, 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 support. So you can see this is a very clear level of support. Okay, we break that support right here. Okay, now it's just a breakdown, right? This day right here, when we reclaimed that level and we closed over that level, that made this a false breakdown. So that is the entry signal right down here. And this is something we covered way back when that actually happened live. Okay? So that's the first thing. Second thing is that we came up here, we made this bullish move, and then we had this resistance right about here. And notice how each of these last times that we came up to this resistance, we just came up to it, got rejected, came up to it, got rejected. But as you can see, this time we came up to it and then we just kind of traded sideways underneath it. Okay, and this is again something that I pointed out as it was happening. I'm not just going back and telling you something that's already happened. Okay, I am doing that now, but we made videos as this was happening, showing you that this was likely to head higher. So again, it came up to this resistance point and it traded sideways. We didn't get any big rejections and headed lower or anything like that. So what it means is when we have this action where we trade sideways right underneath a resistance, it means A, it's very likely to break over that resistance, and B, it's very likely to get a nice explosive move higher because all of this sideways trading builds up energy. Okay, when you have a big move up like this, it expends a lot of energy for that stock, and then it just needs to rest. Okay, rest and build up energy for the next move higher. Okay, which again was likely to be in the same direction that we had been heading. Okay, that's just how trends work. Okay, so we came up here, we gapped over this resistance just a couple days ago. That was a big move, and we also closed over this little resistance, those highs right there. So again, I think that biotechs are still headed for higher prices. I think today's action was even more confirmation of that, breaking over that little resistance right there from the previous 2 days, closing over those highs. I think it's likely going to head higher. The other thing to keep in mind too is that if you have Fibonacci retracement levels here, if you draw it from this major high there to that major low down there, you can see this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level was right there, and we're over that level. Okay, so what does that mean? The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is where a lot of stocks like to continue their trends at. So this was a downtrend that we saw here in biotechs. So if we were going to continue lower, this would have likely been the place that we would have been rejected at because it's the 61.8. Anytime we break over that 61.8, kind of means that this trend down is over. Okay, it means that it's over because you don't want to break that 61.8 if the trend were to continue. So that's another factor here. We're breaking over that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We're gapping up over resistance. Just recently we're closing over the previous couple days highs. All bullish action right here for biotechs. I think that if we do see any kind of a short-term dip in biotechs, that it should be used as a buying opportunity. So what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker here at thetradinganalys.com, and it tracks all of our trades that we make here, both winners, losers, break-even trades, everything in between, and it tracks all of those trades. We've been tracking these trades ever since July 2018, and we're going to continue doing it from here on out. So the reason I'm showing you this is to show you that our trades make money and they get results for myself and for my clients and members here at thetradinganalys.com. You can see that our winners are almost twice as big as our losers right here. And you can see that since this July month here, about 7 months ago, the portfolio is up $215,387. So yes, our trades make money, our method works, and we focus primarily on these false breakdowns that I just showed you earlier in the video. So with that said, first let me move my face out of the way a little bit. With that said, I'd like to invite you to join us here at thetradinganalys.com, the premium membership community. So if you've ever bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money, or you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, then you need to join here today. And you need to do yourself a favor and join, and you're going to receive winning trade alerts, because you can instantly reduce your losing trades by getting started with the #1 options trading service on the planet. And what are you going to get when you sign up and you join today? First and foremost, you're getting easy to follow real-time trade alerts sent via text message. Anytime I'm buying something, I'm sending you a text message. Anytime I'm selling something, I'm sending you a text message, all in real time, so you're never going to miss out on a breakout opportunity ever again. Here's a couple of other recent trades that we just took that you could have profited alongside of us if you were a member at that time. The next thing you're getting here is the real-time portfolio tracker. Why do we give you access to this? First and foremost, it's our way of being completely 100% transparent with you. All of our winners, our losers, every single trade gets uploaded to that portfolio tracker. Okay? So you're going to see everything. The other reason that we show you, that we give you access to this portfolio tracker, is so that you can learn and see what real profitable trading actually looks like. You're going to see the winning streaks. You're going to see the losers. You're going to see how they stack up and how they work alongside each other to make a profitable, consistent trading account. The next thing you're going to get access to is the professional trading watch list. And what this is going to do, and by the way, these are covered via video, and what this is going to do is prepare you ahead of time for what to expect for these alerts. We're not just throwing out these alerts for you. All of these, well, most of these alerts are prepared for ahead of time, and you're going to be, you're going to know exactly what to expect, what we're looking at for these trades, and when we're looking at taking these trades, and it's going to help you become a better trader in the process. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. Every single trade alert that we issue comes with a video analysis where you're going to be able to learn the strategy that we use. You're going to know and understand the method behind the trade. You're going to know the stop loss, the target, and the reasoning behind the trade. And all of this is going to give you more confidence in these alerts, as well as more confidence in your own trading, and you're going to learn and grow and get better in the process. The next thing you're getting access to is a bonus here, and is a full education library. You are getting access to this. You're going to be able to increase your knowledge immediately. A couple of the highlights of this bonus library is we give you our complete strategy from A to Z, so you're going to be able to learn how we make money and how to make money, period, in the market. And that alone is worth the cost of the membership times 10. Okay? The other thing you're getting access to is the Options Accelerator course, which is included in this full educational library. So if you're new to options, you're a little uncomfortable with options, or you're scared of options, don't worry, because these videos, this course, is going to bring you up to speed in a simple and easy to understand method, and you're going to be able to get the hang of it like all of our other members do in no time. And the other thing you're getting access to is me. and I'm going to be there almost 24/7 for you via email, text, or via the live chat on the website. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, anything about that, I am there for you to help you along your journey. The next thing here, all you have to do is scroll down, and you're going to see the special offer that we have right now going on for the annual membership. It's only $787 for the entire year. You're getting everything that I talked about today. Most importantly, those profitable trading alerts that are going to help you consistently profit in the market for only $787 for the entire year. And this is the lowest price that we're ever offered here on the annual membership. So click this button right there, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that you receive text messages on, because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Choose a password, enter in your billing information, or you can check out with PayPal. It's totally up to you. Either option is at your convenience. So once you do that, click join the program, and you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about today. Again, most importantly, these trade alerts are going to help you consistently profit in the market. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself to grow and get better as a trader and make consistent returns in the market, and I look forward to helping you get there.